Hello everyone, Chef Eric here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Feel free to subscribe down below and give this video a like. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the cheesiest, the creamiest mac and cheese, and it's a lot easier than you think. So let's get started. In a large saucepan, start by adding in some hot water to boil your pasta. So just add in your macaroni and boil them in some salted water. You could use any pasta that you'd like. For today, I prefer just to go for the traditional macaroni. You now want to boil that just until it's almost cooked through. Strain your pasta and you can now start to work on the sauce. And for the sauce, start by adding in some soft butter and some flour in a large saucepan. Just gently mix this around until it forms a nice and thick paste. Cook this for about a minute until the flour smell is gone. Once that's done, we can now start to stream in about 500 ml of milk. Add it a little bit at a time until it's all fully incorporated. Next we're gonna add in 2 slices of American cheese and some mozzarella cheese. The choices of cheese are optional and entirely up to you. So choose whatever cheese in the world that you'd like. Once it's all nice and mixed up, switch to a Mwiko for easier use. We're gonna season it with some salt, some black pepper, and some nutmeg. The nutmeg is just there to kill the milky, cheesy taste that can be left behind in your mouth. Give everything a really good mix and dump in all of your drained pasta that should be dry and not cooked through. So add it in and give it a really good mix. Serve it up and you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week for a brand new video.